Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a user group and what is the purpose of a user group. For that, I need to log in as an organization. So here it is a dashboard view of an organization. Here you can see different menus over here. So now I'm going to click the user groups menu. So it will redirect me to the listing page of user group. Currently, I don't have any user groups over here. So the list is empty. So now I want to create a new group. So I am going to click the add group button. So here you can enter a group name, which is like I'm going to enter the group name as friends group. Yeah, it's already done. So I'm going to add this group. So the group was successfully added here. So here you can see the group name. So now the group is empty. So I want to add some members to this group. So here you have the button called view. So I'm going to click the. Now you can see the view page of the friends group. Here you can see the group name, friends group, and we have two headings over here. One it is already added, another one is select users from for your group. So we have to select users from this list for our group. So these are the users we are following this particular organization. So our organization name is ORG Protest. So these are the public users. They are following us from the app side. So those public users are listed over here. So we can select some users. So now I'm going to select first three users. So by clicking this checkbox, you can add those users. We have a new feature called select all. If you click this select all checkbox, all the users will be selected. So now I need only three members. I'm going to select those three members and I'm going to click the add button. So here you can see those three people were added in our friends group. So if you want to remove, you can select the user and you can remove from your group list. So now I need three members. I'm going to add, it's not a mandatory field for some exact number to add a group. You can add any count of members for your group. So I'm adding three members for my friends group. Then I'm going to save changes button. So I'm going to click the save changes button. So my friend group was successfully updated. If you want to view the friends group who all are there in your list, you can click the view button. So those people are already added. Those group members are there for our friends group. And then I'm going to add another group. I'm going to give a name family group. I'm adding this group in my list. Here you can see the group name like family group. Then I'm going to view the group. So here I can add any other new members to my new group called family group, or I can add the same members which we added for my friends group. So I'm going to add Hanson, 348, Ashwin, Julia report 7. So I'm going to add these five people to my family group. Okay, those people are added here. So I'm going to save this. The group was successfully updated. So here you can view the group detail. So by clicking the view button, it will be moving to the detail page of the view page of the group. So these are the members for our family group. Again, I am just clicking the save button. So it will be redirecting me to the user group page with a list of family group and friends group. So this is the flow for creating a user group. So now I will show you what is the purpose of creating a user group. So I'm going to click the post page. I'm going to create a new poll. in this poll creation page, now I'm going to create a poll for my dummy testing purpose of user group. I'm going to create poll user group. Then I'm going to give answers as yes, no. I'm not going to choose a media. Then I'm going to skip the step 3. So solve normal purpose. And the step 4 also. Here we go. This is the step 5, which is headed as private poll. So here we have two options. It's called allowed followers. So by clicking this allowed followers text box here, you will be listing all the followers details, followers username, or you can choosing a particular follower and you can send this particular poll as a private poll. In addition, we have another option is called user group. So I have a drop down over here. By clicking the drop down here, you can view the two user groups which I created just now. I have a family group and I have friends group. So now I am going to click the family group. So only the peoples and members coming under this particular family group will receive this poll. No other followers or public user won't get this poll. Only this member coming under this family group will receive this push notification and this poll. Okay, we have to choose a group over here. So I'm going to choose a family group. I'm going to add poll. Here the poll was created successfully and I got the message. The poll has been successfully created. So here's the poll which I created with the user group, poll user group. So this poll will be only viewable for that user group members. So I just added a family group for this poll. Only the family group members will receive this poll. So let me check who are the family group members. I'm going to click the user group view. Here you can see the family group. So I'm going to view the family group details. Well, these are the members who comes under this particular family group. Only these 5 people can view the poll which I created now. It's named as poll user group. So since I created this poll with the user group name of family group, so only these people can view the particular poll user group poll. So this is the flow of creating a user group and what is the purpose of the user group. So the purpose will be like this: we can use as a private group for the creating poll. Hope you understand the flow of creating a user group and how to use a user group by this video. And thank you for watching this video.